Hi everyone, today we will be talking about the water cycle. So when you're talking about the water cycle, you go through many stages. If you're starting from the ground, you'll evaporate. Evaporating happens when water goes from a liquid to a gas. How does it do it, you may ask? Well, you're probably not, but after reaching its boiling point, the water will evaporate to a gas. Evaporated water, it can sometimes condensate. Condensation is when little droplets of water stick onto the surface. This usually happens on a cold surface. There's also sublimination. Sublimination is when a gas turns into a solid. Take dry ice for an example. It goes straight from a solid with having gas characteristics. After sublimination, there's precipitation. Precipitation is stuff like rain, snow, sleet, and hail that falls to the ground. Transpiration is the hydraulic cycle when water travels through the atmosphere. Some water can be seen as clouds. Runoff water is water that is flowing away like the water that goes into sewers. Finally, infiltration. Infiltration is the process of water going into plants and soil. This is how plants get their water, and then from there the water cycle starts over and when the water comes off the leaves. Keep in mind that this can happen at any spot in the cycle, it just depends on where the water is. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this, and have a good day, Subdulce Master. How does it do it? With the evaporated water, it can sometimes condensate. Condensation is what it goes from a straight solid without having any. Runoff water is water that is flowing like the water does into the sewers. Runoff water is water that is flowing away like the water cycle goes into the